Hi there! The future of real estate has just been printed and will soon be available on the shelves in all good bookstores near you. I write books and articles actually to prevent investors from getting into financial difficulties because it pains me to see bad investment decisions. So therefore, this book will not ask you to buy properties, and this book does not try to make you rich, but it will prevent you from falling into investment traps caused by myths such as, is real estate an inflation hedge? Is real estate really able to provide you with passive income? And is Singapore really short of land? And that this myth about there's always constant, incessant, infinite demand for Singapore real estate. So these and other myths will be covered, because we will help you understand what are the key drivers of real estate demand in the next 10 to 20 years. Demand coming from changing demographics, coming from economic activities, jobs, employment. Demand coming from changing human activities. That's why it is titled The Future of Real Estate. Human activities, social, recreational, education, healthcare, all these are changing and accelerated due to COVID-19. And then what about the disruptions of various technology happening to our lives? So please grab a copy, read it. I would not finish off this discussion without expressing my gratitude and thanks. I'm thankful for collaborations with several famous big brain thinkers, such as architect Professor Tay Keng Soon, as well as ex-GIC Chief Economist Mr. Yeoh Lam Keong. We've got also Professor Mak Yuen Tin, as well as Professor Francis Koh and Mr. Lee Chi Wee, who's been guiding me on some of the things that I'm learning about in real estate and in finance and in business. And finally, I'm very thankful to many of my brilliant students who have helped me in researching and putting together the data that came into this book. Grab a copy.